subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. TV, keep out your premiership. I'm joined by
Hola Steve. Alright, Steve, firstly, number one.
Sure.
Tell me ngibonge ama-fans wethu. Number one.
Sure,
a lot of people don't do that. But I thank your platform because the platform yakho nje ayami.
Sure.
Your energy run around Instagram. Wherever uthi dlala
Sure.
siyabonga nje ayami ne. Where's the Spanish seed?
Yabo.
Okay, number two.
Sure.
Ne? Abantu dala bathi bamba ugift le Remy bathi hey Pirates is so sharp. Wahamba ulodge hey Pirates wahamba utiko Mbudiso hey unjali nomanyisa iva Pirates
Isamile.
iva ibhakabhaka
Isamile.
Then number 3 le itsenzala ukuringa ngayo nento esingayiboni mina ngizobatshela fa la kama bhakabhaka yabona ucoach Wadu uWadu le nto ayenzayo bafethu ngizontshela ngicela ningimamele bheka yabona i-cancer mayingena imosha yonke into all the organs in your body ne uWadu into ayenzayo is eliminating the cancer because yabona if uzoba negative ku locker room uzoba negative kuwo wonke ama-player then whatever uWadu azoyenza angeke isebenze, understand? So eliminate the cancer so that everyone else can focus and then no, listen Thabo uTito ngicela usho uTito nje mina ngincanywa thank you for everything that you did for Orlando Pirates ne mara lama yara i-attitude yiyo bengingayijabulelanga bekayicancer for me no Tibo, let me tell you sometimes don't let your love for a player blind you. Understand? Lelo player lelo malifika ngada ku locker room influencer laba then angeke yenzeke imishini club, you understand? Even though Tito was a good player but he was still a cancer, you understand? So ngiyambongela abe grade la yakhona mara coach Wadu siyaphambili naye rinyobile and next week already Rifani Steve.